kami.
David Yoro. Oh, nakabigyan. Kadam eh.
Ayan guys, dito kami ano. Relax kami dito. Masarap sa tabing dito, ma-presko.
Kita yung gano'n.
May water ano dito. Mga bata, ganda. Ganda ng lake. Panagan Lake. Nakaka-enjoy dito. Sana mayroong ano dito, no, yung siguro Saturday, pag Saturday. Yung mga live band sila. Sana paligo siguro dito. Maganda naman dito. Kaya mabato yan din. Sharp lang rin tayo na nito. Okay guys. Salamat sa pagsama niyo sa vlog namin. Nag-enjoy kami.
Ano na yan eh. Ano ba't mo kaya nga yun?
Pero makaka-relax. Lakad kami guys. Yung kinain namin sa buffet hindi pa tunaw. Busog match pa din. Daming mga steakhouse dito. Maraming kainan. Kaya mga nag-stay dito. Yan oh, ganda. Oh, guys. Ate niya libreng live ban yan? Ha? Tayo, aking katana mo. Magkatala ka niyan din. Dito muna kami guys. Manood kami ng live band.
Hindi na tayo lang. Local kailangan niya. Last quarter.
Tutugtog sila yan.
Kaya mo.
Maganda yung kitang maligo dito guys. Tingnan na. Diyan. Diyan lang. Hi! So, yun na nga guys. Matutulog na kami. 9:30 na rito. Galing kami sa beach. Nakaligo na. Nakapag-facial na. Ito, matutulog na kami. Andito na kami sa hotel. Okay? So, tomorrow again. Good night, everyone. Hello, Vancouver. We're here in Okanagan. Okay, see you.
Well, sir, we have 3 Kaiser missile destroyers still unaccounted for.
Ang ganda ng view sa room namin, guys. Ayan, o. Overlooking namin yung mountain. Dito sa aming room. Morning, guys. Agigising lang.
74 pala itong
Ay, yun, nakaligo na yan.
74.
Ako, kahilata pa ako. Nakakatamad eh ako bumalik ako. Papagod na ako. Ay, naku, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe today's video and our YouTube channel, Labuyerang Junel TV. Please follow us on YouTube. Thank you for watching our vlogs. Ayan, maganda itong pupunta namin. Sheraton 4 Points Hotel. Masarap mag-relax kasi very comfy. Magbe-breakfast kami dito. Wala pa yung ibang gas. Ayun dyan nagko-coffee siya. Tira. Maulan sa labas, guys. Ito, nagbe-breakfast kami. Hintay pa namin yung order namin. Enjoy your waffle. Ito yung sa akin, egg benedict. Ay, na ba? Yeah. With salmon.
With model.
Model daw siya. Ito yung room namin, standard king size bed lang siya. Ayan o. Ito yung room namin, kapon di ako naka-room tour, so ngayon na lang. Meron siya yan, yung mga as usual, complimentary coffee and tea. Meron siyang safe. Meron siyang complimentary water, naubos na namin. May microwave. Ayan, yun ang closet niya. Oh, may plancha doon. Yun lang. Ganyan siya. Basic room lang siya. Standard size king bed. Ang maganda rito yung view niya. Sa labas ang ganda. Tapos meron kaming, ayan. Alam mo na yung washroom. Basic lang. Pero malinis. Ayan. May shampoo. At ito yung kanyang shower room. Kapo, hindi kami room tour. Malinis siya, guys, oh. 4 Points Sheraton. May TV. Yan. Maganda yung TV. Yung resolution niya maganda. Ganda yung TV. Ito ang aming view. Sa window. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo? May mga bahay doon. Tapos ito yung mountain. Mountain view kami. Yan. Kita nyo? Okay, guys. Yan ang view dito sa hotel namin na Binook. Ayan. 4 Points Sheraton. If you guys want to stay here, check it out online. We pay $347 including tax. Okay. Yan guys, ang view sa room namin. Okay? Magandang morning po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa amin. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Laboyarang Junel TV. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa amin. Thank you so much po sa mga friends ko, sa mga relatives namin. Thank you so much sa aming ibang mga kaibigan pa na nagsasubscribe, and all those people who didn't subscribe yet and they're watching our video. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it if you support our vlog. Thank you. Yan o, yun yung parking lot niya. Sa parking lots. Huge parking lot. So, Monday na ngayon. Not much people book today. Since it's Monday. We're going back to Vancouver. Okay, bye room. We're back to Vancouver. Till next time. Check out na kami guys. Back to the reality. Kami guys.
@yahoo.ca.
That's correct. Thank you.
You will get the folio on that one, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's good. Just give us the receipt. Do you have the receipt or just
Do you
email
want
it?
me to print it?
Yeah,
I can do that
give it to
too.
my husband.
Okay, just give me a second.
Thank you. It's a nice stay. I like our room. I included in my vlog.
Next time we stay there.
I'm doing my vlog. Sorry.
It's okay.
It's nice. Guys, this is a 4-point Sheraton. It's really nice hotel.
Did you went to Williamton, Patty?
Know that they have the 7th floor. Okay, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye now. Okay, guys, we're checking out. We're back to Vancouver. Now it's sunny. See, look at the view here. It's sunny now. So it's nice to go around before we back to Vancouver. Okay, guys. We missed the 7th floor in this hotel. This is our hotel. We stay in this one. 4 points. It's really beautiful here. See? Okay guys, now we're leaving. We're checking out this 4-point Sheraton hotel here in Penticton. And it's really a nice stay with this hotel. Very nice and clean. I think it's pretty new. So you guys want to check it out. All my friends in Vancouver want to check it out, this hotel. Then do so. It's really a nice stay. May swimming pool. All the amenities are good. They have a gym as well. And their restaurant is good. Okay guys, till later. Hope you guys enjoy watching our vlog. Thank you so much. Maganda siya dito sa Penticton, close to Okanagan Beach. Okay, that's all for today guys. Sasakay na ako. Pupunta kami sa orchard, tingnan namin kung pwede pang makabili ng prutas. Okay. See you later. Okay guys. Ganda ng hotel. Guys, pauwi na kami. Okay. Ito na na may tarsipo.
Yung sa likod, resibo niya.
Okay.
Continue on Naramata Road for 6 kilometers.
What?
Ramada Road.
6 kilometers.
60 kilometer road. So many beaches here. We're trying to check out the beaches farm.
10 minutes drive.
10 minutes drive. Did you check if they're open?
Yep.
That's good. Then we don't waste our
Kano
time.
mo wala ng cherries?
We can check. They have a store anyway. Just can buy the fruits.
Inglesera yan, gano'n?
Inglesera si Bet Chai. Ang ganda ng lake, guys. Oh, very nice. Ay, piling.
Yung nakalawot na aking guys, yung ini-meme, ano.
Punta kami dun sa ano, guys.
Na-try namin kung may cherries pa.
Titingnan niya daw kung may cherries pa. Paborito niya yung cherries. Mahilig sa prutas to eh. Titingnan niya yung bilihan ng cherries.
Dito ko na rin lang bago tayo mo.
Bago daw kami umuwi. Bili daw siya ng cherry niya. Kaloka. Okay guys, nag-enjoy naman kami sa overnight stay.
Ganda ng lake.
Ganda ng lake guys, oh. Ang ganda ng lake, guys. Ayan o. Ganda. Sa gilid namin. Puro farm dito. Peaches, cherries, at saka mga apple. Check namin yung pupuntahan naming farm kung meron pa. Kasi yung cherries, mga first week lang ng July yan eh. Ewan ko kung meron pa. Kung wala, bibili na lang kami. Kasi medyo mahal dun sa Vancouver. Dito talaga yung mga ano ng farm ng mga cherries saka beaches sa Okanagan. Summerland. Orchard dito yo. Ito. Yan. Sisi Orchard yan. Ayan, pasok ka dyan, oh. Marating. Ito lang yung malapit na ano, we pick cherries. See you at the barn. They're open.
Same barn.
I don't know. That's what I want to. Bago bili din na
The
yung
barn, ano yun eh?
I don't think so. Tingnan sa video. Ayan, no? There. Bah, lumipak yan.
Ayun.
Ask them. Hindi ka pababa. Ganda mo, katabing lake pala to. Wala na daw cherries. Na-late kami sa cherry picking. Hindi na nila season. Naubos na daw, sabi ng may-ari. Itong may-ari. Ayan. Hindi na kami nakabili nitong sa isang sasakyan din. Okay. Wala. Tara. So, ayun na nga guys. Hindi na namin naabutan yung cherries. Wala na daw.
Ubus na, wala na sa puno.
Wala na daw ano, bunga yung mga puno dito. Wala na. Puro aso din at namin doon ng lalaki. Pero ang ganda ng view guys, oh. Oh, yan ang pinuntahan naming Okanagan Beach. Ganda talaga, oh. Sarap mag-relax dito. So, fortunately, wala nang bunga yung mga fruits. I don't know kung merong mga ano, ay yung mga trees. I don't know kung meron pa rin bunga yung mga peaches dito. Peaches.
Ay, malabo na kasi
Hindi pa season ng peaches.
end of July na.
Meron yan, prutas summer pa eh. Kaya lang yung ibang fruits na ano, baka hindi pa malalaki yung bunga. Kaya, guys, sorry to say, wala na talaga cherry. Sa Summerland siguro, dun sa may ano, malapit sa Kelowna. 1 hour and a half pa, papunta dun. Nandito na kami, pupuntang Osoyoos na kami na ano, babalik na kami ng Vancouver. But anyway, we enjoyed the overnight stay dito sa Okanagan Beach. Yun naman ang importante, yung mga pag-relax kami ng konti. Yun, kasi marami rin namang mabibilan na fruits doon sa Vancouver. It's okay. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan. Just enjoy this weather today. It's summer here in BC, and it's really beautiful. Lots of green, lush green. Yan. Okay guys, yan. Ito yung mga farm, oh. Maraming farm dito, pero wala pang ano.
Yes. Tasting.
Yan, oh. May wine tasting doon, di natin na-try. Ganda ng mga ano la, orchard.
Pupunta ka dapat kay June.
Ganda guys, oh. Papagas muna kami guys. siya. Stop muna kami kasi full tank namin itong sasakyan. Then, didiretso na kami pa uwi. Wala nang cherry eh. Ubus na daw. We're trying to pick sana the cherry. Kaya lang. Wala na daw talaga. Hindi na nila season. Na-late na kami. Na-late na kami sa pag-pick up ng cherry. Cherry picking. Na-late na kami. Wala na daw. Basta may madaanan na lang siguro kami ng mga fruit stand. Doon na lang. Titingin kung meron man. But anyway, thank you guys for watching our vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. And sinamahan nyo kami sa aming road trip. At overnight stay dito sa Okanagan Beach. At sa aming stay dito. Nag-enjoy naman kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hanggang sa muli. Till next time. Okay guys, please like and subscribe Labuyarang Junel TV. Outside guys, we really enjoy the day today. Beautiful. The lake is nice, so stunning. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Our beautiful followers. Thank you. Love you all. Nice weather today. Beautiful. Yeah, I liked it. So relaxing day. Beautiful. Love it.
Live mo niya sa Facebook.
This could be the night. Close the door and want to stay with me. concert ko. So many times. Yun, for you. Don't fall in love with a dreamer, 'cause it always takes you in. Just when you think you really changed it, you leave you again. Don't fall in love with a dreamer, 'cause it makes you every time. Guys, tapos na akong mag-concert. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you guys for watching our vlog. Just enjoy life, okay? Just be happy always. Good vibes. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe our YouTube.